Seeing weird textures, flickering, or broken visuals in LDPlayer? Yeah, graphics glitches and rendering issues are pretty common, but easy to fix. Let's go. First, change the graphics engine. Switch between OpenGL and DirectX, then restart the emulator. Outdated drivers are the #1 cause of rendering issues. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. If you have a graphics card, use it. Set LDPlayer to high-performance GPU instead of integrated graphics. Sometimes resolution settings cause glitches. Lower them slightly and relaunch LDPlayer. Extra visual effects can break rendering. Turn off anti-aliasing to improve stability. Virtualization also helps stability. Enable Intel VTX or AMDV. If glitches continue, reset the emulator. Create a new instance or clear cache. Free up system resources. Too many apps can affect rendering performance. Still broken? Do a clean reinstall. Install the latest version for best compatibility. So switch graphics mode, update drivers, lower settings, and reset the instance if needed. That's how you fix LDPlayer graphics, glitches, and rendering issues fast.